Got my little baby seat already. Alright, what's going on, guys? Unreunited here. My name is CESAR, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel, brother. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, bro, and also give this video a thumbs up while you're at it. And if you already seen my face before, then welcome back to the channel. So we're back with another video, another random unboxing with Unreunited. I got my Yeezy slides on. I've been wearing these a lot, man. And you know what that means? When I'm wearing the Yeezy slides, it has to do something with Kanye, bro. Today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing of a shirt that I bought back in October, and it's January the 2nd now that I'm recording this, and it barely arrived. So I think I've already discussed this already on the other video of the first shirt I got, about how it takes forever to freaking ship out the stuff. Yeah, this is another shirt from Kanye. It's not a Jesus is King merch, but it's a Sunday service merch shirt. I guess it's considered merch, I don't know. He went to Jamaica back in October. He dropped some of his Jamaica Sunday service shirts on his website. The story behind this was that I was on Instagram one day and I ran into a post of Kanye wearing a Sunday service shirt, and I looked closely and it was a Jamaica one. The caption, it said something about Jamaica, so I looked closely and I was like, oh, it says Jamaica on it. And I was like, oh, that's pretty fire. And I was thinking, man, I wish he would drop the Sunday service shirts or sweaters. And I didn't realize he does. No one mentioned that he released the Jamaica one. It was a random day, so I didn't know. I didn't know he drops these Sunday service shirts or merch. I don't know if he drops his Sunday service merch every time he does Sunday service. I don't think so. I was cutting the grass. I remember I was cutting the grass, and then I was on Instagram because I was taking a little break, you know. Like I said, I checked on Instagram and I was like, oh, that shirt looks pretty fire. And I was curious. I was like, does he ever sell his shirts? I'm gonna go check it out. And then I did. I went to KanyeWest.com, or I think I put Kanye West shop on Google, and it took me to the shop. And I was like, oh my god, dude, all this Jamaica stuff. I was like, oh my god, they got the sweaters, they got shirts and stuff. I was like, dude, I gotta get one at least. I don't think a lot of people knew about the Sunday service in Jamaica or something, because no one talked about it now on Twitter or nothing. Maybe it wasn't a big deal to them, but to me, shit, it's a big deal, bro. If it's Kanye, it's a big deal. Now I'm not a diehard fan. Here's the box. Other side has my shipping information. It's a basic box like the last one. It took 3 months, like I said, 3 months to get here, bro. I don't know what's going on, bro. They need to fix that shit. I remember they had that issue back then with the Yeezys on Yeezy Supply. I think they fixed that now. I think I'm going to start cutting the box now, and I'm just gonna, oh, I almost cut myself. We're gonna go down here, slice it down, like, oh. I really hope I didn't fuck up the shirt. Alright, there we go. I cut it like a normal box. Just open it like this, and then bam, let's see what we got. Oh shit, look at that. Oh wait, it's upside down. Oh shit, look at that. The Jesus is, well, it's Jesus is King. I'm assuming it's his merch, I guess, because it says Jesus is King. It says right here in the tag, I don't know if you can see it. It says Jesus is King Jamaica seal t-shirt, and here is the shirt. Jesus King. I guess let's just open the package. Might as well. Alright, so this is how the package is in the clear plastic bag. Nothing too crazy. And before I even begin, I just want to be a little bit more professional with these unboxings. I want to like talk about how much it is and all that. I already gave you the story of like how I found out about his merch on his website. Price point, it was about, I don't remember the price. It was around 50, but I paid 68. The shipping and taxes. Cause if I can, I'll probably put a link in the description of where you can buy it. I'm not sure where you can buy it. I'm pretty sure you can find them on Grailed or maybe on StockX. Yeah, let's just take this shirt out, bro. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. City of Kingston, Jesus is King. And then on the back, it says in the back, in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm gonna try this on real quick, alright? So I'll be back, alright? Okay, brother. Look at that. I'm gonna just sit down because I'm too lazy to stand up. Now, what I like about the shirts, bro, oh my god, bro. The neck thing, bro, it's like weird. I don't know. Jesus the Lord, bro. Okay. Quality-wise, bro, I'm telling you, this shit's good quality. Print, it's like a puffy print. That's one of the things why I like his merch and stuff. It always has that puffy print. And the back too is puffy too. I love it so much, bro. Look at that. Bro, God, bro. Hey, you best hide your girl or whatever, bro. Cause I'm wearing Kanye Sunday Service in Jamaica merch. Ay. I don't think it says Sunday Service. It does say Jesus is King on the bottom, but who's gonna look deep in? But yeah, brother, another merch from Kanye in the collection. I have other merch from him from different times, like his Yeezus one, Life of Pablo one, the one that he was selling in Coachella, I think last year, his Jesus King one, and his Jamaica one, his Sunday Service in Jamaica. Yeah, this is a size small, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. It's a size small. Let me know what you think of this shirt, bro. Do you think this is fire, bro? Shoot, I don't think I've seen people selling this shirt a lot. Either because they haven't got the shirt or not a lot of people know about it. I'm gonna be honest, dude. This thing took 3 months to get here, bro. 3 months just for them to do the print, to ship it. It took them 3 months to do that, bro. How? Why? What? Who does this, brother? I guess it's worth the wait. I mean, shit, I got so excited when this came. I finally got my Jesus King one, and I finally got this Jamaica one. I'm good now, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed this little random unboxing with Unreunited. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, brother. Also share this channel with your friends, your family, or whoever you want to share it with. But more content coming soon, people. Random unboxings, most likely vlogs, challenges. But we hope you stick around, brother. We're gonna have more random unboxing with Unreunited, more a day with Unreunited, aka vlogs. Challenges will be coming soon. But yeah, guys, more videos coming soon. Like I said, Jesus is King, Jamaica Sunday Service merch. What do you think? Let me know down below. What do you think of these? These are pretty fire. Hope you guys enjoy. This is Unreunited signing out. Peace.